What's up, guys? Bubbas Picks 316 here. We just got the bonus 5-cent 125 bet. Check it out. Can we get that? Can we get a feach and a feach? Let's do it. Come on, guys. Hit that thumbs up. Send the jackpot vibes this way. Let's get it. All right, we got 6 more games. Come on. Feach and a feach. We need 6 of those trophies, or 3 of these, and it'll give me more games. Let's get those trophies. Let's get to the feature. Again, 5-cent denom, $1.25 bet. Come on now. Last spin right here, guys. Yeah. Please hit that thumbs up and that subscribe and check out my other videos.